Okay, I'm going to work through how to create your own survey style for line labels. Move the camera right there. Come up here to add line labels, and add line labels and curves. Okay, then we click on this little box right here and create a new. This brings up the dialog box that where we create it, identify what you want. We'll say survey, bearing, and distance. Okay. Layout tab, this is where you actually have the various tabs, and the default actually had everything on bearing, but here you have the table tag and the direction tag if you want to use those. I don't like using those. So what I do is I set just these two faults. Okay, and then you'll have bearing and distance automatically available there. Bearing, and what you want to do is this is where you have the contents, the actual definition of how it's displayed. Click on that and then double click on this little dot to the right, and this pops up the actual format itself. I don't like having space, so I'll switch that to DMSS single like that, and the precision of 1 second there. And then you want to click on this little arrow to the right, and that brings the edited version in. We'll go ahead and delete that old one like that, and you'll see the P4 meaning the precision to the nearest second, and we'll hit OK on that. And then come over here to the distance. Here's the definition for the distance. Double click on that, and here this one already has the precision to the nearest hundredth. If it's to the thousandth, you can click on that and then import that text in as well. Like I said, it's already good there, so we hit OK, and we hit OK and OK. Add the line. We'll first of all select from this option here the new definition we made, survey, bearing, and distance. Add the line, click on the line, and you'll note that it comes in as we normally had in LDT. One other thing here, getting back to the edit the selection, if you wanted to have it in a different position, you can do that as well. Under this option, just go into the bearing and identify where it is bottom center, where it's actually being attached, top left, middle left. The only other one, the reason why they had it all on one line under bearing was because you wanted the bearing and distance on the same line, and in that case then you would need to add the definition to both of them here and then have a space in between. Just come here and then add the direction and import that in also with spacing or whatever you want there, and you can actually have multiple lines there, and then go in and change the attachment location as necessary to get you where you have it imported in on your line. Anyways, that's how you do it.